Hey guys, how would you like to have more youthful looking skin? Would you like that?
I'd love that.
I'd like my face to look like a baby's bottom. And if that's you,
If I could turn back time.
Exactly. We're going to talk about that in just a moment. Youthful looking skin, everyone wants it. People are paying literally thousands and thousands of dollars for facelifts or beauty creams. We're going to talk about an essential oil blend called Longevity.
Yeah. Now this is an old label. It's a
pretty fancy.
museum stock. Like if you buy wine, this is museum stock. It has a different label now.
That bottle is actually 470 years old.
Yes. Do you want to live as long as this bottle?
No, seriously. So tell us about A, why is it called Longevity? And B, why should we use it?
Gary Young, the founder of Young Living, travelled the world researching people who lived a long time. So the Hunza people in northern Pakistan, the people who lived in the Ninja province, which is where Young Living gets their Ninja Red, because the people there, they were eating the goji berries and making tea from them. And he was, researching what made these people live a long time. And one of the common things that actually made people live a long time was vitamin C and antioxidants. So he spent a lot of time researching that and making products that were high in antioxidants and high in vitamin C. So one of the oils that's in this is actually clove oil, which is very, very high in antioxidants. So you can look up the ORAC value of clove oil and you'll find out.
That's ORAC.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's got clove in it.
Yes.
It's got
Time.
Yeah. We all need a bit more time.
Yeah. Especially if you want to live a long time.
It's got
orange, which is high in D-limonene. So I think it's about 90% of D-limonene. So go and Google that as well. And the other one is frankincense. So, we all know that frankincense has been around a long time, but especially used for skin and all of those kinds of,
lots of beauty products.
Yes, definitely. Or they, you may not know they have frankincense in it because it might say something like Boswellia caturi, and you think that's very French, but it's actually the botanical name of frankincense. So there you go.
Absolutely.
Now, the thing about longevity, which some of you may not know because you might be new to Young Living, is that a few years ago we had a supplement, and Young Living hasn't been able to find a supplier, but the supplement was longevity oil in capsules, in gel caps. And so we used to have that supplement, and it was amazing. And as I say, Young Living just hasn't been able to source a supplier of the gel caps and, to make it. So that's why it's out of stock at the moment. But hopefully it'll come back and you'll be able to try longevity, the supplement, as opposed to just longevity, the oil.
So it smells awesome.
Smells very clovey.
You could diffuse it.
Yes, you could.
Could you dilute?
Yes, so if you do use it topically, you want to be diluting it. Yeah, that's really important because of the clove oil.
Okay, and interestingly, one of the other things that it says on the label, youthful looking skin and more joy, hope and forgiveness.
Yeah.
I think those three things are going to make you live longer anyway, aren't they?
Well, who wants to live a long time if you don't have any joy in your life, or you haven't gone and forgiven all the people that did wrong by you, or
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so keep your eyes out for longevity capsules. Hopefully they can come back. That'd be awesome. And in the meantime,
there's longevity oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys
next week.
Next time.
Bye, guys.